All right, YouTube. So we're back with another 7 PRC running on the Kelbly's action with the preferred barrel, carbon barrel on there, 27-inch barrel. We have the Nanook 7 brake on there, or the Kelbly's 7mm brake on there. McManner stock. We're running the Athlon 4.5 to 30 by 56. Arius ETR. I really like this scope, guys. It makes it actually really nice to shoot kind of precision. So very nice rifle. Action, mag fed, McManner stock, Bixen anti-trigger, and we tried out hand loads. So we ran some H1000, some Berger ELD Hunters 175 grain, and Federal 210. And we got out and shot, and I'm happy to say everything we shot well. So here's our first group. I will splice in the group from my app that I use for measuring the groups and the velocity. Basically what we did is we shot two different 3-shot groups, and then we averaged them together. So I'll go ahead and splice in now what the two groups are, and then the average, and then the velocity. All right, now we got that in there. So here is our second group. So I'm gonna go back actually real quick. So here's our first one we shot. I was not sure where it was gonna be the point of impact. So I did aim here and shot there. I did bring it down a little bit on the turret and over, and then we ended up getting this when I was aiming here. So here's what I'm aiming, point of impact. Here I was aiming, point of impact. So this was the first group, and I shifted and got this. So very pleased with that one. Okay. So we'll go to the next one. Once again, 2 3-shot groups. We went up half a grain increment in charge weight. Aimed here, got here. Aimed here and got here. I will go ahead and splice in the group size and the velocity data. For that one too. And then we get this bad boy, which is just freaking awesome. The 7 PRC. 3 shots, aiming here, 3 shots, aiming here, 3 shots. This is just fantastic. This rifle, as you guys know, if you've been following along, has not liked factory ammo a whole lot. I mean, usually we're getting around under an inch to 1.5 inches on factory, which, I just would like better. And then we're obviously seeing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat these groups. We'll repeat them again, and we'll go half a grain. We'll go 1/10 grain up and 1/10 grain down with the same seam depth, and then we're gonna go I think 5/1000 off the lands with the same powder charge, and we'll see how it goes. So that's kind of the goal. We'll be running it again in the Berger ELD Hunter. The brass is cleaning right now, so we will be using H1000. I've been using this is now my 7 PRC book for hand loads, this Hornady book. And then so basically I keep track, I've got my data there for the Maguire, and this is the data now for the Berger. So we're gonna keep track of that. I do keep the targets and everything like that. So if you guys are interested in more hand loading for the 7 PRC, on this Nanook. Stay tuned. I do have a barrel coming from Proof for a 300 PRC and a 6.5 PRC. So we'll be running, so basically we'll be doing a series where we can swap out the barrels and the action, the barrels onto the action, just no problem. And we'll be able to run it on the same chassis system, basically, not chassis, but same action and stock system. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more 7 PRC stuff, and I'll catch you guys later.